Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Gilroy local and long-distance movers near me. When you need to move at least 100 miles away, you need a long-distance moving team. Our crew knows how to make your cross-country move go smoothly, even if you're just going one state over. We take the stress out of moving day. Not only do we offer loading, transportation, and unloading services, but we also offer all the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. As a California moving company, we can help you with any type of local move. We provide you with the necessary services to gain plenty of benefits on moving day. Our team will handle all the heavy lifting, and we will also save you a ton of time. With our help, you get to settle into your new home much faster. A good local moving company such as 3 Movers makes moving days simple. We streamline the move to make sure things arrive safely and quickly. If the move would take you all week, we will have it done in 1 day or less. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gilroy moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.